Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is my 7 or 6 item that I bought from Zalora and just came. And this is the Baju Melayu Teluk Belanga. Okay. From Lubna House. Okay, now camera kita okay, Lubna Homme, Lubna Homme, Fsc Rayon Baju Melayu Teluk Belanga set. Okay, this one, the whole set. Like this. Okay, now we are unboxing. So the price is actually 199. Okay, and now there's promotion. It's only 109. 109. Yeah. Okay, so so frankly I never heard about this brand, but it's from Zalora, so I guess it's very long clothes. Okay, this is connected like this. How should I should this. Okay, now the details of this. They have a tag headache. Recycle. Okay, Lubna Homme. Okay, and then what's this? Recycle. Okay, and the one. Okay, see the details. Okay, and then this one. You have this again. You can get back. Oh, you can see this as here. Oh, so this one, the hand is, the cutting is like so big. All right. Well, we'll never try, never know. Okay, this one is the top and then the bottom. Okay. Okay. This is side. Okay, and then this button. Yeah. Okay, and this. Okay. Okay. Luckily, the pants are straight actually, so the cutting is a straight cutting. Okay, like that. Okay, well, I'm gonna try and see how it goes. Okay, nanti lepas habis baca baru ambil yang full. Now. Full.